Good morning, children. Although we have already learned vowels and Assamese vowels and consonant through our a lot of videos, but today actually I'm again want to read out all these vowels and consonant, how to it pronunciations. Right? I hope you will learn and practice through my videos and try to memorize all these vowels and consonant, because without these vowels and consonant we are unable to proceed in our next stages. Okay, so we are going to read out vowels and consonant today. Okay. Hmm. I hope you have already got your textbooks from our library, page number 74, but you unable to understand, unable to trace out these Assamese numbers because it's written in Assamese. Anyway, in the middle portions, you can find out this page after seeing this short. Okay, how to pronounce? First, we are going to pronounce the vowel. Listen carefully. অ আ হর্ষ ই দীর্ঘ ই হর্ষ উ দীর্ঘ উ রি এ ওই উ ও. These are 11 vowels. অ আ হর্ষ ই দীর্ঘ ই হর্ষ উ দীর্ঘ উ রি এ ওই উ ও. Next, we are going to pronounce the consonant also. ক খ গ ঘ ঙ. প্রথম ছ, দ্বিতীয় চ, বর্গীয় জ, ঝ, নিয়. মূর্ধন্য ট, মূর্ধন্য ঠ, মূর্ধন্য ড, মূর্ধন্য ঢ and মূর্ধন্য ন. দন্তীয় ট, দন্তীয় ঠ, দন্তীয় ড, দন্তীয় ঢ, দন্তীয় ন. প ফ ব ভ ম. অন্তস্থ জ র ল ৱ. তালব্য খ, মূৰ্ধন্য খ, দন্তীয় হ, হ. ক্ষয় ডয়ৰ ঢয়ৰ য়. হৰ্ষন্ত অনুস্বৰ বিসর্গ চন্দ্ৰবিন্দু. Dear students, these are the consonant and vowels I just read out in front of you. So I hope you make practice again and again, and you must memorize all these vowels and consonant so that we can proceed our next chapters. Okay, thank you.